Rudolf Helpmeyer is a composer. This gas pedal is one of his instruments. When fully depressed, it sounds like this. These are elements of the Audi R8 e-tron sound, currently available in studios only.
We had to convince a lot of people that we have to develop something completely new.
Helpmeyer creates the sound of the future for Audi in the lab. He is currently working on the Audi R8 e-tron supercar. Without sound, the Audi R8 e-tron would sound like this. Nothing. Just tire and wind noises. What follows is pioneer work made by Audi.
We started developing the first sound steps 3-4 years ago. The problem is you don't have any tool you can buy on the market. You have to develop the hardware, you have to develop the software, and you have to find a great sound for the car. And this took us more than 3 years.
Audi acoustics engineers have meanwhile succeeded in giving the R8 e-tron a sound that clearly identifies it as an electronic vehicle, while at the same time underscoring its sporty character. This is what the Audi R8 e-tron sounds like on the road.